The very mention of ERP raises a few questions in your mind. What exactly is it? What kind of businesses need it? How does it help my business? And more. So, let's decode ERP for you. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, a business management software that integrates the core processes of your large-scale, small-scale, or medium-sized business. Still confused? Think about the different departments of your company. Finance, purchasing, manufacturing, marketing, sales, inventory management, product planning, etc. Is it feasible to have a different software for each of them? Of course no. This is where ERP comes into the picture. It is a centralized software which brings all your business activities at one place, providing real-time business insights, streamlined processes, interdepartmental collaboration, reduced costs and better decision-making. It comes on-premise, in which hardware and software are maintained and managed by your IT staff, and on cloud, the cost-effective option where the software and its data is managed in cloud by the vendor and accessed by customer via internet. You can choose whichever option best suits the needs of your business and also your pocket. Batchmaster ERP, from last 30+ years, has helped more than 3,000 process manufacturing businesses accelerate growth by keeping their business secured, competitive and profitable.